As we all know, second-hand cars are really booming up in the Hyderabad market, and the sales are really going very high from the post-COVID situation. Today we have Mr. Nikhil with us from Bright Cars, and let us know what is the pre-COVID situation of the second-hand car sales in Hyderabad.
We face a lot of issues like public transport not being available, then non-local people who got to travel. That's become a real big challenge. So these are some kind of challenges what customers are facing or what general public is facing, and it's become in such a way that owning a four-wheeler has become a mandatory or a compulsion for us. Whereas pre-COVID, it would be as a luxury, it would be as an option for us having a four-wheeler. But post-COVID, it has come to such an extent that it's one of a part of our daily life. Like how mobile has become our daily routine, now even a four-wheeler has become a must. With this, what is happening is people want a four-wheeler, but also they don't want to spend too much of amount because this situation, this pandemic situation, we don't know which emergency comes out at what time. So if they have, let's take an example of they have 5 lakhs in hand, they want to spend 2 to 3 lakhs for a vehicle to keep their family safe when they're traveling out. And remaining that 2 lakhs would be preserved as their emergency cash. So this is how people are planning. So this is how the things are going. And then now if you look at these cars, the premium segment cars are not in high demand actually. But whereas a basic segment, which is like 2 lakhs to 4 lakhs vehicles, these are in a high demand. Because as it is a need, nobody is looking for a luxury. They are looking for something which solves their daily purpose and daily needs. And also adding to this now kind of rains and kind of floods we are having, somebody traveling on a two-wheeler, it's too risky again. A four-wheeler, at least it's giving you a shelter. Okay, if you're single, if you're going on a bike, fine. But if you're family, you're going with a small kid, or if you have your parents sitting behind, it's become difficult for them. And also the kind of viruses which is attacking, everybody wants a closed shelter, even when they're moving out. As long as they're at home, they close everything, sit inside, keep it complete private from them. The similar way, once they're out, they want a car which is closed with the glasses, have their interior happening inside and not getting in contact with people outside, so that at least they can avoid the risk. So that's how it is moving up.